Shout out to my hometown of Edmonton. I miss you guys. Hi, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing something very different. I've got Tamagotchi. Today I will be customizing a notebook to reflect Tamagotchi in the first half of this video. And in the second half, I'm going to be test driving real old school Tamagotchis. Let's get into it. Okay, so I found this envelope set at Book Off a couple of years ago. It's vintage from 2004. And it's from Seika Note. Very cute. And I got these ones, these stickers, about a year ago this month from Sushiro. They had a promotion. Maybe I can throw some photos and or video somewhere in this video. They had this collaboration and I just thought it was so cute, and it reminded me of the old DS game Tamagotchi Connection Corner Shop, I think the title was. There was Corner Shop 1 and Corner Shop 2. I'll try to throw the images in the video somewhere. So it was a nice throwback to that. I thought these were great. I just really love the retro art. Also, excuse my voice. I'm still recovering from a cold, so I got, excuse me. I got these in Tokyo a year ago. I still need to post the vlog for that, but I hope to get that up in the lineup soon. But the intention is I'll be taking one of these craft envelopes and using it as a pocket for my notebook. Excuse me. As you can hear, I really need to get some more medicine or cough drops, so I'm just going to be right back. This notebook is a couple of years old, 2 or 3 years old by now. I've opened it previously just to have a look at it, and the idea was I didn't want to go out and buy a whole new notebook for this project. I want to really use up what I have. I really prefer the grid format, but I think that this is okay. And I just want to quickly include the copyright information so you can search it up. And then you can see that this is kind of like a reference, and Nanny. You can see this is kind of a reference to In-N-Out Burger, so I think that's neat. It's very Americanized. And so the idea is I'm going to try to sticker bomb this notebook. And I use like sticker bomb in like air quotes because I'm not really going to sticker bomb this. I'm actually going to paint. And then I love how the back side is mainly a blank canvas for me to pretty much paint whatever I want. And then I'm going to try to paint this so that it blends in with the design that the artist has created already, so it kind of blends together. I don't know if the final result will be as I envision, but we'll see how it goes. Let's get into it. so I realized that I did not have the video option turned on, but anyway, this is the update. I could have done Tama themed foods, but I didn't. I could still maybe draw the characters around the food. And I thought this dog picture was too cute to paint over, so I just left it. I want to give this some time to fully dry, and then I'll erase the pencil. Hi, it's Megan, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing something very different. If I can, I might want to try to stay within the same style as what this artist started with, so it kind of blends seamlessly together. Like, that's the vision. I don't know if that's actually going to turn out the way that I envision this, but you know, I'm going to try to I'm going to try to paint this so that I'm going to try to paint this. I just realized that I was on the slow motion option. Slow motion janakade.